The PX4 Storm Recon is a versatile BB and pellet shooter with real blowback action. It looks, feels, and shoots just like the firearm it copies. The Beretta PX4 Storm Recon features a dark earth brown frame and grip and a black slide. It includes a compensator, a tactical accessory rail mount, a Walther shot dot point sight, as well as a Walther tactical flashlight with cord switch. It uses .177 caliber ammo and 12-gram CO2 cartridges and can fire up to 380 feet per second. Like the original handgun, the Beretta PX4 Storm Recon has real blowback action, automatically cocking the gun with each slide action, giving you a feeling of power that most air guns can never achieve. Once you start shooting, you won't want to stop. So don't forget to stock up on ammo and CO2 cartridges. Let's see the PX4 Storm in action. Click the Buy Now button to get this gun along with all the needed ammo and accessories only at airgundepot.com.